So as the next technology that I've chosen to highlight is Scratch. And Scratch can be used across all content areas and is a coding platform. I've chosen 3.3C and 3.2A ISTE standards to align with this technology for the classroom. So Scratch is a student-friendly free coding community for kids. It's specifically designed for students. It's a very easy platform to navigate and to utilize. Something that I could see my students doing is culminating projects with this, especially in writing. So much of what Scratch does is it allows you to create almost a story that you can animate and narrate. And so as we look at writing in the 4th grade, what my students, can literally bring their stories to life. So just to sort of get an overview of the platform and what it looks like. It uses block coding, and it gives you a tutorial to the beginning, but it has all of these different library choices, and again, it allows you to just click and drag to create those movements to animate. And so not only are students having an opportunity to learn and apply coding skills, but they're also taking those components that they've learned and applying them in a creative way. So you can, again, just add different moves, sounds, the different blocks that are available, motion. You can also change the backdrop. There is a multitude of library of different backdrops that you can choose from. So again, this is a free platform, and there are several resources available for educators. And it's right here under this educator tab. And it also provides resources for students, Scratch tutorials, which are great, idea pages, and it also has a collaborative piece that you can connect with other educators. So again, this is Scratch, and when I think about how Scratch can be used in the classroom, I not only think about students having the opportunity to learn coding, but also just a way to use their voice and that creativity piece.